Right, 365 yard par 4 from the yellows. Let's see how we get on. We just bogeyed the first, so let's have a little look, shall we? On a wet September morning, on a Sunday. Slightly right, kick left, kick left, kick left. We're in the rough, but we're down there. That'll do, that'll do. 166 yards, thinking, use my 140 club, which is my 7 iron, nice little chip on, putt for par, up the boys. Got too much ground, but we've got a nice little run. Tosh. Oh yes, I would like to ask you a question, but a moustache. Always look after your local course, guys. Oh, we did an absolute classic country boy golfing. Massive 40 yards of 7. Let's see what we can do. 122 yards again. See how we can do. That's 122 to the centre of the green, by the way, chat. Not like that. Let's see what we can do. Not enough. Nowhere near enough. Oh, wow. Right. Little sand onto the green. Let's see if Big Bertha does her job. Oh, no. Shit. Hi. So, let's see how we get on. Well, we're on the green. Did it a bit more than I expected to, though. Oops. Ah, dear. Right. Got a massive putt. I'm not chipping from here. This is the triple as well. Oh. Very fancy.